Pop YouTube. I'm outside about to wire up a AFM, no, a AEM air fuel ratio on my car. I've been out here for like 30 minutes doing this shit already, wiring it up, trying to fit it inside my cabinet.
Get y'all shit, let's ride. Catch me in the middle of the city. Catch me in the middle of the city, Pour me a couple, find outside my niggas slime with me. 5 minutes to get me through the city. Do the dance till this bitch get up. You say something, bitch, it's stuck. Catch me in the middle of the city, Pour me a couple, find outside my niggas slime with me. 5 minutes to get me through the city. Dance till this bitch get up. You say something, bitch, it's stuck. Catch me in the city with a glizzy. Know this bitch off like a bartender with shots.
So this is what I'm working with. I know it look kind of jumbo. This is my nitro setup right here. My lights I put on the car. They change colors, do all the other crazy stuff. But yeah, so far I got the air fuel ratio sensor with a wideband sensor right here. I'm gonna fish it through down there to my long tube collector or whatever. And I'm gonna fish it through the cabin right there. And for power, back here, Hoosier, back here. Oh, come on. I beat it up because my jack and stuff be back here. So don't judge me, I'm connecting it to my what is it? My auxiliary fuse right here. It's right there. And that's the wire that I'm gonna, tap into. And it's just gonna be ran from here up under there. Back seat down along that way. This is my nitrous line. I may relocate this, but it ain't really bothering me at this time being. It's cool. And this is what I'm doing. Got my dash ripped apart, the bottom half, which is easy, just 2 screws right here. Take that panel off and just pop it down, unconnect these connectors right here. Pretty much straightforward. So my nitrous wires right here, the armor switch, and the button right there. Where is it? That's the button. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my progress in a minute. So I'm for the wire that wire through down, and I'm gonna try to mount it right here for the time being. So just stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? This is the bottom of the panel, about 5 feet. I fished in the wire right here. Where is it? Did I just knock it back out? Oh, no, I didn't. Come on. Grab the wire, fished it through. Grab the wire. Here we go. Here's the wire. Pull it through. I'm just running it up here somewhere, but that's last. Oh, what else? And I'm connecting my red wire to that wire right there. I know it's kind of bigger, but whatever, it'll be all right. And I'm gonna connect this ground wire somewhere on the inside, probably like right here to the frame, like probably right there, who knows. But I'm gonna connect the wire with a ground wire to somewhere, so that's all I really needed for that part. Yeah. So now that the wire is ran through there, I'm gonna try to pop the thing back in there. Hopefully it'll fit. I don't think it is, but one way to find out, bro. All right, YouTube, so this is what we got so far. I ran the wire for this thing from the trunk. It's tucked down right here. I connected my ground, which is gonna connect right here. And my powers is ran from here, down here, all the way to the back seat. Well, from the back seat through the trunk. So now I'm just gonna button it up. Button it up, hook everything back up, push this facial thing back up, make it look pretty, you know. All right, YouTube, so I got everything put back up, got everything looking like it did before. I'm just gonna have it mounted right here. It's not really mounted, just like kind of wedged between these two things. Wires in the back. Now I'm finna go up under the car and drill a hole in my look at that metal pipe. That's hideous. Oh well, if work it work. Anyway, I'm finna drill a hole in my what is that? My long tube, and yes sir, that's what I'm finna do. All right, YouTube. So got my bone cut out. I'm finna weld it in there. So bear with me, y'all. Hi, YouTube, I'm back. This is my little welded in bone. It ain't the prettiest, but shoot. Hey, I'm gonna go seal up. It's sealed up, so it's all that matters right now. Yeah, I'm finna bring that wire back up there. Zip tie somewhere, keep it out the way, and we great. Poppin' YouTube. I'm getting a jump because I let my car down in an accident. Oops, my bad. But here's the reading. Fluctuate.
I'm about to say him the other hundred. There's mine.
Look at his head.
It's my bad chicken.
That's slow.
Turn that slow shit off. Turn that shit off.
For the rest of the month.
It's slow. You finna cash out.
Sick toes, baby. Toes, baby.
Hold on. But that last one looks fake.
Make sure it don't say copy. Hey,
a motion picture.
You hiring?
So this dude thing, man.
because he just cashed out him 100. Count him up.
Shut it down,
Hey, so who gonna be at the finish line?
Gypsy. Yeah.
Somebody else down there.
Nah.
Yes, sir.
I'll be honest. Real talk. I always have my dude down at the end, just in case something go wrong with the video. You know what I'm saying? What if you know?
$1,000 race, man. On the street.
All right. We got
Locked
lines
in.
down there.
You got what now?
Lines
going down there.
We're going to be at the start.
That's cool. Take 2 people. It don't matter. I'm going.
Yeah, let's do that.
All right.
God damn it, Bobby. Alright.
Flashlight start.
Yes, we are. We're
No
doing
cross.
flashlight start.
No cross. No jump.
If you cross
No
behind, that's fine. Because you behind the person that's in front of you. That's fine. But
Cross in front. Done.
you done. You
No
jump, you
chases or
done.
race.
Yeah, no chases or race shit.
So somebody need to be filming behind to see when the light go off. People go. Because somebody filming from this way, you can't see the light.
Right.
So somebody need to be straight forward at the light. Cause if somebody jump, it's a loss.
Or even somebody behind the cars.
Hey, drivers, I'm gonna bump y'all both in. Flash your lights when you're ready. We'll point at y'all.
Point.
Well, no. I'm gonna give you the thumbs up when he's ready. That's cool. He gonna let me know when he's ready. I'm gonna give you the thumbs up.
That's cool.
I'll flash my lights. That's cool. Point. I'll flash my lights.
That's cool.
So I guess after this race, whatever they got going on.
Hey, y'all hurry up on my race, man.
Pizza is the pizza.
All that smoke.
Yep, here we go.
10 on 50. 20, action.
Pay up, nigga. Let's pay up. He's still in his way. He gone. Let's pay up. No, pay up. Why? He's not pay up.
You and that shit. Hey, Chris, you got him line or you?
Right there.
Where the line is? Start right here. Hey, Bell, start right here. It's the white line? Okay.
It ain't no cap in my rap, man. It ain't no cap in my rap, dog.
Come on, I got you, dog.
That nigga playing with me,
Nice
dog.
race, nigga.
One and done, playing with me, ain't no more.
Nice race.
No, he won't run again. No, one and done. Take that shit back on his seat. He won't run again. Hey, he's fucking won't run. Hey, we got money on you. Run that shit back. We got money on you. He ain't got it. I got it, goddamn. No, one and done. Yeah, wait.
Just
Can't run for this ass.